Now for the headlines. 15 people were killed and 5 are in critical condition in hospital as Jamaica's crime rate continues to spiral out of control. Several students were admitted to hospital today after consuming ganja-infused candy. Security companies increased vigilance due to another attack on an armored truck today. And finally in the headlines, commuters brace themselves as the government plans a sizable increase in the bus and taxi fares over the coming months. Good evening, Jamaica, and welcome to the news.
Pause, hold on there. People, I'm being alone sometimes confused when I watch the news. No, because I can't understand the things we just a while ago. I'm Mr. News Reporter, sir. Huh? Your ear just come out of your mouth a while ago?
What do you mean?
No, I just want to confirm if you heard the words that came out of your mouth a while ago.
How do you mean if I heard what I just read? I was the one who read it. Yes, I heard what I read.
Alright, so if you hear everything what you read because you will read it, how is it that you're going to turn to me and tell me good evening? You tell me nothing good? Huh? I'll be your bad news you give me a while ago, brother. As a matter of fact, every time I read the news and I smile. Again, up to smile about.
Oh,
but I'll be a depression you give me, you know. Here what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to read the news the way how you feel do it. Right and properly. Murder. Crime. Corruption and a bag of things, people. Bad evening too, no. Yes, I say bad evening because I bear bad news me give in the headlines a while ago and as you can't hear. I bear negative people, but we're not going to left it right there, so you know. What we're going to do right now, we're going to take 1 minute and bust a word of prayer. Because when we don't reel off them news there, no people, I got to loan up above I can help the country. So the clasp on hands and the close on the eyes as we pray for the country. And that we want to do. And stop the smile and the bag of good evening. Let the manners out the door, we don't want it.